Good morning, students. How are you, students? I guess all of you are doing well. As we know, the entire world is passing through the pathetic conditions due to pandemic COVID-19. In this pathetic condition, we must follow the instructions of government. We must not go outside. We have to stay at home and we need to prepare for our exams. Hope you people are doing the same. After a long time, I am interacting with you. In this session, we shall see about our subject, social studies. In that, we shall discuss about the first topic, Indian relief features. Here we are going to discuss about the important areas which can be covered in the question paper. We can easily guess what are the important areas which we can expect in the examination. So we already discussed in the classroom, even though once again we shall see all those things so that you can easily write the exam with confidence. Chalo, let us start without wasting the time. The topic is Indian relief features. Here, in this lesson, the important topic is Himalayas. On this topic, every year we are seeing a question. So, how the question is asking, let us see. The examiner may prepare the question like this. Influence of Himalayas on Indian agriculture. Explain. Himalayas play a vital role in India's development. Himalayas are boon to our country. So, like this, the examiner may prepare the question. So, the questions are different, but answer may be the same. Here, we need to start the answer with introduction and we need to conclude with conclusion. For each and every answer, the introduction and conclusion is important. It completely depends upon how the question is framed. Generally, we'll cover all the important points like about Himalayas, ranges of Himalayas, hill stations, perennial rivers, expansion of Himalayas, then fertile soil, source of rivers, influence on India's climate, tourism, hydel power. All these are the points must be covered in the answer. But the introduction and conclusion is completely dependent on the question, how the examiner is framed the question. Hope you people are getting what I am saying. So we already discussed all these points in the classroom, but once again I am reminding you. Then next area is about the physiographic divisions of our country. We know that we are having 6 physiographic divisions. From this area, we can expect a question for 4 marks or 2 marks. In the year of 2015-16, we got this question for 4 marks, and the last year in supply exam, we got this question for 2 marks. So, you go through the answer, you try to collect 4 to 5 points about each and every physiographic division so that you can write 4 marks or 2 marks question in easy manner. Then another area is Eastern Coastal Plain, Western Coastal Plain. He may be asked us to write the differences or to compare the similarities of Eastern Coastal Plain and Western Coastal Plain. So, prepare that answer. And another area is about Indo-Gangetic Plains and its importance. So, these are the 4 main areas where we can expect the question from this unit for 4 marks or 2 marks. Then after that, now let us move to short and very short answers. So, in which latitude and longitudes our India is located and our Telangana is located. This is important area. From this area we can expect a question. Then what is Indian Peninsula? General definition of latitudes and longitudes. About Himalayas. Classify the ranges of Himalayas, hill stations of Himalayas, hills of Shivalik range, the concepts of dunes and Doab, and the Himalayas structures like Terai and Babar, then tributaries of Indus River. So these all are the general areas from where we can expect a 1 mark or 2 mark question. So children, concentrate on these all definitions and 1 mark or 1 line or 2 line answers. Go through all these points. Then now let us go to another example, that is about the time difference between two places or two states. See, this is, I am giving example, I am showing example here. This example is given in the textbook in the second page. Now you can easily understand that by seeing this table. This table is given in the textbook in the second page. This table is showing the difference between two places in two states, Impal and Ahmedabad. Go through this example. It is given in the textbook. So like this, time difference tables are also important for our examination point of view. So prepare this kind of examples. Then now let us move to another concept, that is map painting. Here you can see the map painting in the last examination. When we refer the previous papers, we find different coastal areas have been asked. So for that we need to prepare these Canara coast, Coromandel coast. Here you can see Utkal coast, different coastal areas. So all these coastal areas need to refer once so that we can easily find out in the exam. Then another graph is, another map painting is about our India. Yeah, about standard meridian in India. So 82 degrees 30 eastern longitude is standard meridian time. So that is also very important for us. That is here, standard meridian time. Then 23.5 northern latitude moves from the center of India. This is called as Tropic of Cancer. That is also important for us here. So like that, our frontier countries, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, all those countries are also important for us. So go through all those items which are given in the textbook. So refer once so that we can easily score high marks. So already I gave you the important maps of each and every unit. Go through once all those map painting items so that we can write all the exams, especially social exam, in effective manner. Anyhow, cover all these important points, and it's a small attempt to interact with you after a long time. Hope you people are following all these things, and I guess you people have prepared a timetable and you people are following that. Do that, utilize these days and prepare well, perform well in the examination. And one more thing is that in these pathetic conditions, COVID-19, we must maintain social distance. So I use it to say every time that while writing the examination, so you need to maintain the distance. The same thing now again I am repeating with you, that maintain the social distance, so that is the only solution for our safety and for our family's safety. Inform to your parents also, maintain the social distance, and you stay at home, prepare for the exams. Thank you. We will meet in the next session with another topic.